Everyone in the gym has that one friend who swears by supplements. Whey protein, BCAAs, creatine, pre-workouts, you name it. But here's a question no one seems to ask. If you had to choose only one thing, perfect sleep or perfect supplementation, which would actually build more muscle? Because, spoiler alert, your muscles might be growing the most when you're doing absolutely nothing. Let's break this down. The fitness industry is worth over $150 billion, and a massive chunk of that comes from supplement sales. Every brand promises you faster gains, more energy, quicker recovery. And to be fair, supplements like protein and creatine do work, but only if the rest of your lifestyle supports them. Think of supplements like fuel additives. They can enhance performance, but they can't fix a broken engine. If you're not sleeping well, even the most expensive powder on earth won't help your body repair muscle. While you're dreaming, your body's working overtime. During deep sleep, your brain triggers a flood of growth hormone, GH, one of the most powerful, natural muscle builders known to science. This hormone boosts protein synthesis, repairs muscle fibers, and burns fat at the same time. It's literally nature's anabolic window. In fact, up to 70% of your daily growth hormone is released while you sleep. Now compare that to a scoop of BCAAs or a pill full of marketing. It's not even close. Miss a night of sleep and your testosterone levels can drop by up to 15%. Stay sleep deprived for a week? Your cortisol, the stress hormone, spikes, and that literally breaks down muscle tissue. Your recovery slows. Your appetite hormones go wild. And worst of all, your gym performance tanks. You lift less, move slower, and recover like a zombie, all because you traded 8 hours of growth for 8 scoops of powder. Okay, but we're not saying all supplements are useless. Some, like creatine monohydrate, are backed by hundreds of studies. It helps recycle energy in your muscles, giving you more strength in short bursts. Protein powder can help you hit your daily target, especially if you struggle to eat enough whole foods. And omega-3 south or magnesium can help with inflammation and sleep quality. But these only enhance the work your body is already doing. They don't replace the natural recovery that sleep provides. So here's the truth. If you had to choose between getting 8 hours of deep sleep or taking every supplement in the store, sleep wins every single time. Because sleep isn't just recovery, it's your body's construction site. Every muscle fiber you tore at the gym gets rebuilt, stronger, denser, and more defined, only when you rest. Supplements are like tools in your gym bag. But sleep? That's your builder, architect, and engineer, all in one. So next time you think about skipping sleep to hit another late-night workout, remember, you don't grow in the gym. You grow after it when you close your eyes. Like and subscribe to see more fact-based videos.